Today we're going to be unboxing a mattress. This mattress in specific is a hybrid mattress, meaning it's a happy medium between firm and soft. Unboxing a mattress could be a pretty daunting task, so I highly suggest having at least one other person there to help you because it does get quite heavy, but it could also be a fun process watching it expand, which you'll see later in the video. But aside from that, you could see how well wrapped this mattress is and how tightly it was packed. The packaging actually came in a pretty small sized box, but mind you, it is a whole mattress in there, so that thing was still pretty heavy. But aside from that, after getting all the plastic off, comes the fun part. And that's watching the mattress expand. So as for the mattress itself, as I said before, it's that perfect middle ground between those who don't like when the mattress sinks too much or when they break their back trying to rest on it because how firm it is. After unpackaging it, you do have to wait a little bit for it to fully expand, but overall this is a really solid mattress and I do highly recommend it. So thank you guys so much for watching.